Melting points, unveiling the mystery in simple terms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in science and everyday life, the melting point. This term may sound technical, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly and be able to use it in your conversations and writings confidently. A melting point is the temperature at which a solid substance turns into a liquid. This transformation is fascinating because it's all about changing states. Imagine ice turning into water. That's the simplest example of a melting point. Different substances have different melting points. For example, the melting point of ice, water, is 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But for iron, it's much higher at about 1,538 degrees Celsius, 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Understanding melting points is not just for scientists. It helps us in everyday life. For instance, knowing the melting point of ice helps us understand why it melts in our hands. In cooking, understanding the melting point of butter or chocolate can help you in baking and cooking. And in industries, knowing the melting points of metals helps in processes like welding and shaping tools. When talking about melting points, there are a few key phrases to remember. 1. Solid to liquid. This phrase captures the essence of what happens at the melting point. 2. Melting temperature. Another way to refer to the melting point. 3. State change. This term is used to describe the transformation from solid to liquid. Interestingly, the term melting point is also used metaphorically in English. We often say that a situation or a person has reached a melting point when they are under so much pressure that they are about to change or give in. It's a vivid way to describe a critical or turning point in a scenario. I hope this video has melted away any confusion about the term melting point. It's a simple yet fascinating concept that we encounter in various aspects of life. Remember, language learning is about understanding these little details that make a big difference in our communication. Keep exploring and happy learning!